Hello students, welcome to Smart World, a school of complete education. Today we will be doing chapter 5 from English, that is a kabaddi match. So I hope you all must have heard, or many of you might have played kabaddi, and it's like one of the most favorite game of children. So you all might be having some idea about it, but I'll be briefing you about it. It is an ancient sport which was originated in India itself, and now it has become quite popular and it is being played on international levels across the world. And there they have their own rules, international rules. However, Indian styles of kabaddi are Sanjeevani, Gamini, and Amar are some of the Indian styles that are being played in different parts of India. So basically in kabaddi there are two teams, as we all must be knowing, and each team consists of 7 members, and it is played on a flat rectangular court which is divided from the center by a midline, and both the teams stand on the opposite sides to each other, facing each other on their own sides from the midline. And every time a player is sent, which is known as rider, and it is sent across the midline to the other team, and what the rider has got to do is to tag as many opponents as he can and run back to his side. And while doing that he has to chant kabaddi kabaddi, and without exhaling or without breaking his chant in between, like he can't breathe in one breath, he has to do all this thing. So that's the gist of the game. So kabaddi requires a good health, muscular strength, strategic skills, and a lot of practice after all. Okay, and Indian girls and boys have always excelled in kabaddi. So let's start with the story. There was this school sports meet next month scheduled in a school, and usually 9B were the favorite players, or the favorite team had the most strongest players. And this time class 9A also has some 3 new students, and to everyone's surprise they all are outstanding players. So 9A's hopes soared. That means 9A has good hopes, has high hopes this time that they might win and defeat or break the record of 9B. So let's see what happens in the story further. So when the match started, all the spectators clapped and boosted the morale of both the teams. Spectators are the people, audience, and when the match started, they all started clapping and boasting and giving them boosted their morale, means they started encouraging the players by their claps and their shoutings. So 9A won the toss and they sent their rider Govind. So the first player that went from 9A was Govind. He was so swift that before the opponent realized he had touched Suresh from 9B. So swift means he was so fast in his work that before anyone could even realize that he was in their court, the opposite team could even realize that he was in their court, he even tagged the Suresh, a player from named Suresh from the other team of 9B, and came heading home, and a point was scored by team 9A. Then Ravi from 9B was a very strong player, and he went. He was alone sufficient to catch hold of any player so tightly in between his legs and twisted like scissors. Releasing in once from a grip was next to impossible. So all the players were literally afraid of him. From 9B, the player named Suresh was very pro in the game. Pro means professional in the game, so everyone was scared of him. And this ace player had won many matches for 9B. So ace means excellent. With the support of Mohan and Vinod, 9B was unbeatable. Mangesh from 9A also was very strong player, so he was a good match for Ravi. Then Ravi was relaxed as he had never dreamed of any strong opposition from any team. Since they were winning since a long time, so they were all relaxed manner. They were confident about themselves. But when Mangesh was wrestled down by Ravi and his friends, everyone in the spectators thought that 9A would lose Mangesh. But Mangesh proved his mettle. Proved his mettle means he proved himself. Mettle means his capabilities. He was on the ground with the anti-riders catching hold of his waist and legs. Slowly indeed towards his court, all the anti-riders, all his might were trying best to pull him back. But with great determination and without losing his breath, Mangesh successfully touched the midline and there cheers in the air. So Mangesh was successful in finishing his task and coming back to his court after touching the midline. So that was a victory for them. That gained them another point. He had only saved himself, not only saved himself but also able to score 3 points for the team, as Ravi and Mohan and Ajinkya, who were holding him, were also declared out because they both were the players from the other team. Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya were the players from the opposite team, and they were holding him, but he was capable of touching the midline instead of their grip. Instead, he was being in their grip, so he also gained 3 points apart from the extra point that he scored for winning that particular chance. Now 9B began to play cautiously. Mihir, one of their riders, even managed to tag Sohan in 9A. Nothing much happened in the next few raids. Now it was Vivek's raid. He always played with strategies and they worked fine. Vivek was a strategic person, so they are telling that he always used to have some strategies and they always worked well for him. The remaining 3 players from 9B trapped Vivek and he slowly moved back towards the court. The 3 anti-raiders also moved with him. When they caught his back, Vivek slipped his leg beyond the midline and the anti-raider still hanging on his arm. Oh, the whole 9B team was declared out. A 9A actually managed to get 3 more bonus points of Lona. It was an icing on the cake. An icing on the cake means already they were winning, and just because they gained 3 more extra points of Lona, so that was an extra facilitation for them. Extra thing they got apart from their gaining their points, therefore it was like an icing on the cake, like much better. What an enviable score. Enviable score means that other team was envious, they were jealous about this score, and it sets the heads of RB reeling. 9B was very sad about their scores. After the half-time break, the star players of 9A were full of confidence. Once again, they managed to catch hold of the ace rider Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. 9A outplayed 9B in all the areas of Kabaddi. This team spirit, their confidence and their strategies, their swiftness, suppleness helped them to beat 9B, who had never tasted defeat earlier. So, their strategic playing, their stiffness, their confidence, it all helped them to defeat 9B, which was never defeated again, and they broke the record once for all. So the moral of the story is that we should not back off before trying. We should give our best, put the best efforts, as much efforts as we can, and give our best, and the results will be positive. Lona means the term that came which helped Lona points, which helped the team 9A to win. What is Lona? If all the 7 members in a team are out, the opposite team gets bonus point or Lona. Lona is that bonus point when person outbreaks or outs declares the other team is declared out. Entire team is when declared out, it is known as Lona.